Hello guys, in this tutorial we discuss how we can import WordPress media with a single click. You can see this is our WordPress backend, and here you can find all the media. Right here you can find all the images, documents, PDF, everything you can find over there. So we need to export very easily with a single click without any plugin. So how we can do that? It's very simple and easy to get it done. So in the left side where you can see at if you scroll down little bit, you can see the option for tools, and under this menu you can see the option for export. Okay, so once you click on export option, you can see there are multiple things you can easily export, right? So you can see all the contents, post, pages, you can export individually one by one, but for now we are going to export media only. So here you can find the media. Okay, let's find that. Now you can see the media. Just select the media and you can select the start date like this. I am selecting November 2021 to the recent December 2022. So let's download export file. So now I just download this file. uh, all the media files has been exported into this XML, right? So if you would like to import this media to another website, another WordPress, you can easily just you need to do option for click on import, and once you click on import you can see these things you need to install WordPress. Okay, you can see the import post, pages, comments, custom fields, categories and tags from a WordPress export file. So you just need to install this one first. So once you install this, you can see it's installing. Okay, now it's installed, and just click on run importer. Okay, now you can get this. So the file I just downloaded export file, this one, just need to drag and drop over there, and now you can upload file and import. So this is the thing, we can easily export our media, export our pages, content, everything, and we need to import this like this way. Okay, I hope this will help you to export everything from WordPress backend without any plugin. Thank you.